Hello everyone, in this video I will install an operation system for my Raspberry Pi without using any monitor or keyboard, just by using a laptop. Okay, so first let's connect our micro SD card to the laptop. So I'm putting this inside of this and then to the converter to connect my laptop. For installing operation system on our Raspberry Pi, we need to go to the raspberrypi.com, and here on software you will have this construction to make your operation system work on your Raspberry Pi. First, for a quick and easy way to install Raspberry Pi operation system, we can have this Raspberry Pi imager. So for installing on Ubuntu, same as me, if you have a Ubuntu, you can go with this command and install your Raspberry Pi imager. First time when I tried to use this command to install my imager, I got this error again, and if you use this snap install instead, it will be work, because it works for me. So now I have it in my laptop, it's okay. So yeah, and here you can find this imager, and yes, okay. First of all, you need to choose your device. For me is Raspberry Pi 4, and operation system that you want to have on your Raspberry Pi. I decided to go with Raspberry Pi 64-bit. So because I am going to install ROS2 on my Raspberry Pi for my robot, so I choose this. And for storage, I will select the okay, here I need to connect again my SSD card to laptop, and yes, here. And after you selecting all these three options, you can go next and edit settings. For edit settings, first in service I enable SSH, and for general I choose the set home hostname, and I set a username and password for my SSH account or my Raspberry Pi. And also here you need to configure the wireless LAN or Wi-Fi that you are using for connecting your laptop to Raspberry Pi. So in here you need to put the name of your Wi-Fi account, same as here. And for the password also you can go this way, and if you want to find it easily, and choose the password for your Wi-Fi and put it here. Then you can go with set the local setting, and that's it, save. And yes, it's going to format my micro SSD card, and we should waiting for installation. In this way, meanwhile, I'm installing my PuTTY to for using the SSH easier. So I use these comments from this website: sudo apt apt repository universe, sudo apt update, and sudo apt install PuTTY. I'm not sure about the name, but I think it's PuTTY. Now I'm going to check this version. Okay, I have the version here, release, and it will be something like this for SSH client. Later, after that, I put my SSD card on the Raspberry Pi. I will show how I am going to use this. Also, we need to have this Angry IP scanner for installing this. I used install Angry IP scanner. You can also add Ubuntu if you're Ubuntu. I'm not sure about Mac and Windows. So here for downloading, I use this one, and after the download, we can easily install from here. for your Ubuntu software. And yes, it's installed on my laptop. As you can see, it's really easy. Then let's check if it's installed or not. Okay, we can cancel the verify here, and okay. Okay, after installing the operation system on my micro SD card, and right now I need to put this SSD card on my Raspberry Pi over here. And now for power to turn on my Raspberry Pi, I'm going to connect it to my laptop with a Type-C cable. So here we go, and connecting my Raspberry Pi, and as you can see, it's on now. Okay, I've connected my Raspberry Pi to my laptop with cable Type-C to use my laptop as a power for Raspberry Pi and to turn it on. So now with this Angry IP scanner, I'm going to scan all IPs that IP of all devices that connected to my Wi-Fi to find my Raspberry Pi. So I'm not going to change anything here, just putting the start button and waiting to find the IP for my Raspberry Pi. Okay, this is the IP for my Raspberry Pi. Sometimes it's going to show the name of my Raspberry Pi here as a host name, but I don't know why sometimes it doesn't show. So I'm going to choose this IP here and put this IP in this SSH client, and don't change anything here, and just should be SSH and open. Okay, here I'm using the username that I put for my Raspberry Pi, Pi CP, and the password are selected for it, and here I will have my Raspberry Pi. So it's at the terminal. If I want to have the desktop connection, I'm going to say okay, sudo raspi config, and here I'm going to interface option, change the VNC and enable it, yes, and okay, and finish. And then from this website you can I search for VNC viewer Ubuntu install, and by this website I downloaded for Linux and installed. So I will have this VNC viewer and put my IP here again, and here is the password and username for your Raspberry Pi again, and connection, and it's the desktop of your Ubuntu, desktop of the operation system for your Raspberry Pi. Thank you for watching this video. Who cares about the rules you cut? Look, cravings for news made them blind.